So trying to figure out how I'm gonna connect the engine to the back wheels, and this thing can't actually go straight down because it touches the case down here. I mean, it can go almost straight down, almost. So I'm gonna have to move the engine a little bit more to the back. I already cut this one so it won't touch. But the axle is already down here, so I'll have to move it. I'm gonna move it. The exhaust, I think, is still too close to the back, so not sure if I'm gonna be extending this again or moving the back tires / back axle. Alright, I have the brake system on now. It's all tucked in. Like I said, I really want to use all the original parts, so I modified the clutch brake pedal and I added a tab, so now it's attached to the pump, and yeah, seems pretty solid. This is for the exhaust emission system, which we're gonna be deleting it. So I'm just gonna cut them and block them off. They look really bad, but like they were almost impossible to weld. They had so much carbon build up that the metal wouldn't stick to it. I think I overheated them too, so they're a little bit bent, but I think it should be fine. Right, so these are the plates that I modified yesterday. So now they're shut, nothing's gonna come out of there, and then now I have this problem. Let's see if you can see it. That bolt is stuck there, it won't come off. So I think I'm gonna grab the TIG welder and weld a nut to it. maybe use stainless steel, which is a little bit stronger, and try to take it out. Have the first engine mounts ready. Still not sure where I'm gonna be placing the engine yet. Okay, so while I wait for my parts to arrive, I ordered a few sprockets for the jack shaft, a chain, air filters, and a few other things. I'm gonna keep welding the frame, reinforcing it, and probably figure out how I'm gonna be doing the shifter, because I need to put a clutch. I think I'm gonna be using the clutch at the same time I'm gonna use the shifter. So I gotta figure out if that hydraulic pump works upside down, which I think it will. I also have here the disc, brake disc, and the sprocket. I think they're center, somewhat center. Hopefully they don't wobble too much. But I just don't have a lathe yet, so this is the best I could do. Mounted. I mean, it's just tucked into place, but it's pretty solid. I think I need to go get some proper bolts and washers and nuts for this thing, because it's not sitting properly. But I'm just waiting for a few sprockets, chains, bearings to do the powertrain, and hopefully we can take it for a test drive soon. Alright, I have all the weight taken out, blade and all the mechanism that goes here. Doesn't matter because it's gonna be covered with this thing. And this is where I'm gonna be putting all my electronics. Looks perfect. Yeah, I got the bearings ready for the tire axle. I also got the parts. I got a fuel pump and the sprockets. I think I'm not gonna be using this blade anymore, because I bought this sprocket, which it fits perfectly here. So I'm gonna be welding it to the sprocket, and then I'm gonna be using this 1-inch hub, weld-on hub, which is gonna be welded to this, and it's gonna be much more center. The plate that I made for the disc, that will stay there because that one's so much bigger and I couldn't find anything for it. So far I'm ready to mount the axle. Right, so I had to build this jig because this axle is not exactly 1 inch diameter, it's a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna be grinding it, and this is gonna allow me to be grinding it like nicely, perfectly round.